Have you ever wanted to design your own clothing? Have you ever wondered what it's like to wear your very own designs? Well, today I'm going to be trying on my very own designs, and I'm going to show you a really cool way you can do it too. Hi everyone, my name is Lillian Love and this is Style on a Curve. And today I'm going to be trying on my very own designs for my Shein X Heavinz Lane collection. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my experience and I'm going to tell you how you can do it as well. Let's get into it. Now for this very first dress, this is a gold dress that I made for my party collection, perfect for special events or holiday events. And so this is a really cool dress. It has some cutouts on the side on the hip. And so if you're going to wear like some shapewear with this, you can't wear the shorts, of course, or you have to wear the one where it only has one leg or just the panty shaper. So this is really pretty, perfect for a birthday or a special occasion. Or you could wear this on a night out with your boo. So it has a little hip cutout on the side. It has a split. Put some heels and a really cute clutch with it and you're gonna look amazing. So this next dress, this is a cowl neck floral print. And now I make my own prints. And so I make my prints through Adobe Illustrator and sometimes Photoshop. And so this dress is really beautiful. I love the cowl neck and the high neck in the back and kind of like a halter cowl neck little situation there. And so it has a mesh over a lining. And so you still have a little peekaboo at the bottom so you can still see your legs. I suggest wearing like a nude heel or pump or a see-through clear heel. It's going to be really pretty, perfect for spring. I feel so ladylike in this. It's like I feel sexy and ladylike all at the same time. This dress is perfect for spring and or summer. I love yellow. I love these bright, vibrant prints and they just look so good. So this next dress, it's a peach dress with a floral print. And you still have like a little mesh at the bottom for a little peekaboo. And then when you turn around, it laces in the back and there is a cowl in the back. So it drapes in the back. So when you wear this, I normally wear a backless bra. I went on a little trip, so I left my backless bra, so I have to get another one. But I have a video here, I'll link it here, this great backless bra on Amazon. Go ahead and watch that. Wear that backless bra. It's like a full body bra and it's like a panty, but it helps suck in the tummy and you have the backless illusion in the back so you can wear really beautiful designs like this. So I suggest getting that. This dress is beautiful, perfect for spring, perfect for summer. I just felt so demure. I felt really classy, demure, very ladylike, you know, but this dress is beautiful. Definitely go get one. I'll put the link down in the description. So this black and rose dress, you guys, it's very subtle, but when you put it on, it's so sexy. It also has a back out feature. Make sure you get that backless bra on Amazon. And it's like the shoulders come up just a little bit, so it's almost like it's off the shoulder, but not quite. And I felt really sexy with this dress on. This is definitely a great date night dress. And I'm so proud of the way that this print came out. Pair with it some nude heels, clear heels, a red pump, and a really great clutch. This is the perfect date night dress. Definitely put this one in your closet. So this blue set, I absolutely love this blue set. So one of the things about the lining is it didn't quite fit over my entire bra. And so I might like add like a little lace detail or something like that, or get kind of like a minimizing bra. So that's one thing that you can do. But I don't know, I just felt like a princess or a queen in this because of this skirt. I love the color of this set. I love the way that it came out. I love the way that this color came out. This color is so perfect. You've got some great cutouts here on the shoulders, in the front and in the back. You've got the ruching and great mesh detailing. This is a great set. Definitely get this one in your closet. Next one is the one that I have on now. It's the red and yellow set, and it is one of my favorite sets, guys. I love the way that the print came out, and the yellow, oh, who knew that red and yellow could go together so well? I mean, sometimes you kind of think of like McDonald's, and then it's like, that's not where I'm going with this, but this came out absolutely perfect. So I love this set. It's beautiful. It kind of reminds me of like almost like a Sade silhouette, where you have a very simple top and a long skirt. It has a split. It also has a cutout detail in the back. So if you want to wear shapewear with this, you would have to either go ahead and get some shapewear and either maybe do a little cutout in the back, or just get kind of like a panty that has more coverage in the front, and it's a short, but it's very low in the back. This is something that you can dress it up or dress it down, and this is a perfect set for spring and summer. Definitely get this one in your closet. And so I have another similar set that is a blue and red set, blue with a red flower. So what I was thinking is like the red flower, and you look at it up against the sky. It's like, it reminds me of a blue sky, and you're looking at these flowers while they're outside, and it just really reminds me of nature, reminds me of spring, and it's a really great set. It's beautiful. I love this vibrant blue color. It's perfect. It has a little split on the side. You have a top and the skirt, a long skirt. You can dress it up, dress it down, still giving kind of like a Sade silhouette vibe. This is a great set. Definitely get this one in your closet. So next we have this beautiful purple tie-dyed bodysuit with a train. Y'all, I wore this for Valentine's Day, and we had like a full Valentine's weekend, and I just felt, I don't know, I just felt like a princess or like a queen, you know, in the train. You're walking, it's giving drama, you know, you're whipping your train around, and it's really pretty. This is a very pretty jumper. Definitely get this one in your closet. It's sexy, perfect for date night. It's great for spring. Definitely get this one in your closet. So we went to this cool place. We went to like this outdoor garden, and they had it all lit up and decorated for Valentine's Day. It was such a great moment, and I love the fact that I could wear my own design out on our date night. So next is a really fun, sparkly bodysuit. Okay, so this is like a biker short bodysuit, and it has like the see-through mesh with stripes and sparkles. So this is great for a date night, night out on the town with the girls, if you're going out for a party or something. And it's just something simple and cute, and you don't even need a whole lot of accessories with it. The jumper is already the party. This is very sexy, so you have some subtle little like cutouts in mesh, and so you have like a separate little undergarment that you wear under it, like a lining, and then you put the mesh on over it. So you have the option of wearing something different underneath the mesh stripe, or wearing the lining that it comes with. This is a really fun, very sexy jumper. Definitely get this one in your closet. Okay, so now for this next dress, it actually looks more like a tunic on me because I'm a little tall. So I have on like a nude shaper, like shorts underneath this, but I'm probably gonna have to wear like maybe like a little backless slip under there, or I might need to wear like leggings or pants or something, because although the front looks great, the back is a little too short. However, I love this dress. I love the color. I love the back out feature. I love the high neck. I love the ruching on the neck. I love the sleeves. I love everything about this dress. I love how it came out, and I love the color of it. And so sometimes it's hard to find this dress on the Shein X website, so you can go to the search bar, type in Heavinz Lane. I spell it a little bit differently, and then it will pop up. If it doesn't pop up, then just go to the top left. So you go to the top left, go to recommended. There's a little drop down there. You go to new arrivals, and then everything should pop up then. This is fun. This is flirty. It's sexy. It's bright. It's vibrant. Definitely get this one in your closet. And lastly, I have this beautiful black and white velvety dress, and has like a beautiful split, and it has like this black and white feature. So you've got mesh, you've got velvet. I felt like Marilyn Monroe or something like that. It's very kind of like an old classic silhouette. And so we wore this on actual Valentine's night and went out to dinner with this. I paired with it a beautiful fur coat, and this was just like old Hollywood glamour type of vibe. So you have the mesh, and I just went ahead and wore my nude bra. You could wear a nude shaper underneath, you know, like a nude bodysuit underneath or something like that, and it's going to be perfect. So this is a great dress. Definitely get this one in your closet if you love that old Hollywood classic vibe. And so normally I'm about an extra large or a 1X, but because these are very stretchy, very forgiving, I was able to fit into these as well. And so I have way more designs on the website. This was just a small sneak peek of what I have on the website. If you would like to shop my designs, go ahead and check out the link below. One thing that I love about the Shein X program is that this was an easy, low-risk way for me to have my designs made, see what works, see what doesn't, and to also utilize the tools that they have to look at the trends, to look what's, you know, coming up next, what I should be getting ready for in the next season. You can show them your portfolio, you can show them your Instagram and your TikTok where you have your designs. If you have your sketches, apply on the Shein X platform, and then you wait to hear an answer. Now, if you do get approved, then you can start creating. So when you start getting sales, you will receive 10% of the profit. That has allowed me to have some money to get my own business started, heavinzlane.com. And so I was able to get samples made, get all the legal stuff done for my business. And so it has really helped me. It's been a great stepping stone for me. This is also a very low risk way to figure out what works and what doesn't without having to come out of your own pocket, because girl, it's expensive. This can also be a stream of income that's coming in to where you're not necessarily putting in 8 hours in the day. This is something that you kind of concentrate on. It's a project that you do and you get it done, and then you let that baby go, and then once it goes live on the site, then you're making money off of that without actually having to clock in anywhere. So this is a great way to have some side income, get some exposure, and also be able to wear your own designs. Plus, your friends and family can also wear your designs. Joining the Shein X program, I've been able to participate in some really cool events, great campaigns. I've met amazing people. I met Laquan Smith. Oh my God. So I definitely recommend people to try it at least once, see if you like it. And if you would like to know more information, I will put more information about the Shein X program in the description below. If you don't know where to shop or what to wear, don't worry, I got you, girl. Check out this next video over here for more fashion tips and tricks.